This is SharperTek's SHP4000-136G model, a single-tank ultrasonic cleaner with 500-pound power lift, agitation filtration system, oil skimmer, sparger, and Weir tank. It also has autofill, temp control, and PLC-controlled cycles. The part to be cleaned goes in the basket, and we press cycle start with preset timers. The part gets lowered in. On the main screen, we can set the timers to your desired cleaning and filtration time. You can also change the temperature. There is a heated and degas mode option. This machine has a dual frequency, a tank cleaning cycle, a quick cycle, and a heavy-duty cycle. In manual mode, you can adjust the frequency, the filtration of the ultrasonic, the heat, and the skimmer components manually. This is the fault screen if you have any faults. This is a timer, 7-day programmer, status of each of the functions, and this is the I/O screen. Now the cycle has finished and the part gets lifted up clean.